Hi, my name is Bo Tango. I work as a copywriter. So in this video, I'm teaching you how can you make your prospects feel like they are getting tons and tons of value. How can you make your prospects feel like they're striking a deal, they're getting tons of value more than what they are paying for. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you 3 strategies that you can sprinkle around your copy to achieve that goal of making your prospects feel like they are getting more than what they are paying for. Because that's the reason why us as human beings we spend. We are spending because we see that we are getting more than what we are paying for. Otherwise, we wouldn't do the transaction. You see, so stay tuned till the end of this video because the second strategy is my personal favorite, and I ensure that I include in every sales copy that I am writing. But I suggest you to include all these strategies in your copy, these strategies that help you make your prospects feel like they are getting tons of value than what they are paying for, because that will make them gravitate more towards your offer and allow you to take their money and give their money exactly to you. You see? Yeah. So the first strategy that you can implement is that in your copy, include as many bullets as possible. Like, include many bullets up until your prospects feels tired to consume all of them, because that makes them feel they are getting more than they are paying for. That makes them feel they are getting bulks and bulks of value from your offer. To prove that to you, let me show you a sales copy that became a control applying that strategy. Okay, here I'm on swipe.com, and I will try to include the link to this sales copy. So this sales copy was selling a book called Double Your Dating, you see, which means it was teaching men to get laid, to hook up with multiple women as possible. So when you look here, the copywriter who wrote this sales copy included many bullets. You see how many these bullets are. I keep scrolling and scrolling forever. You see, these bullets are so many, so many, up until the prospect feels tired to read them all, and the prospects end up feeling like they are getting more than what they are paying for. So the first strategy is to include as many bullets as possible. And then the second strategy you can implement to influence your prospect to feel like they are getting tons and tons of value than they are paying for your offer is to include bonuses. Because the moment you include bonuses, the prospects feel like they are getting more than what they are paying for. But remember, prospects are greedy, prospects are self-centered, so they like receiving bonuses from us as marketers or sales people, because these people are greedy. They don't care about us. All they care is what is in for them. So also including bonuses can help make your prospects feel like they are getting more than what they are paying for. You see, to prove it to you, here I'm going to show you a sales copy that was written by Denlock, or maybe by Denlock's copywriting team. So this sales copy is selling Denlock's program called More Sales Challenge. This is the offer that Denlock is currently promoting. When you go to his, like on Facebook, most of his Facebook ads are promoting this offer. You see, so how did Denlock's copywriter make the prospects feel like they are getting more than what they are paying for this offer? He included bonuses. He included bonus 1, but with your bonuses, don't include the price of each bonus. Include the value, because there's a distinction between price and the value. There's a difference between price and the value. You see, for example, 1 liter of water, the price for 1 liter of water is most cases $1, but the value is priceless, because water is life. So there's a difference between the price and the value. So with your bonuses, you don't want to include the price of your bonus. You want to include the value of your bonus, because the value is always, in most cases, is always greater than the price. So here is the bonus that Denlock included, which is bonus 1, and it tagged a $100 value, and then bonus 2, $100 value, bonus 3, $400 value, bonus 4, $200 value, $1,000 value for bonus 5. And then he added all the total values for these bonuses, and they summed up to $4,100, of which exceeds the price of this offer. You see, this value, when they were summed up, they summed up to $4,100, of which is greater than the price of this offer. So the prospects now feels like they are getting more value than what they are paying for. So by the way, I work as a copywriter, so I've just opened a door that I'm going to close very soon. I'm not looking for 5 clients, I'm not looking for 7 clients, I'm not looking for 10 clients, I'm only looking for 2 clients. Then after I close the door. So if you are interested and you would like me to craft you emails that you can send to your email list, or a sales copy that you would like me to write promoting your products or service that you are selling, don't hesitate to send me an email at sbo@sbotango.com. You had that right, sbo@sbotango.com. Yeah, so that was the second strategy that you can use to influence your prospects to feel like they're getting more value than what they are paying for. Give your prospect bonuses, and don't include the prices of each bonus, but include the value, because there's a difference between the price and the value, and in most cases the value is always greater than the price. Then add all those values, and then they sum up to a bigger number compared to the price that the prospect is paying for that particular offer. Then the prospect feels like they are getting more than what they are paying for. Okay, then the third strategy is that when you are presenting your offer using graphic designs, don't just include one picture of your offer, include as many pictures as possible. To give you an example, let's say maybe you are selling an ebook. You know, instead of showing the paperback, the picture of the paperback of your ebook, you know, you can include the picture of the paperback, include how it looked like on the cell phone, because it's an ebook. Include how it looks like on the cell phone, include how it looks like on a computer, include how it looks like on a laptop, include how it looks like yeah, you see, I think I've mentioned all the gadgets, you see, and put all those pictures in one picture. So now the prospects feels like they are getting more than what they are paying for. To prove that to you, let me show you. This is a sales letter that was written by Franken. He wrote it for who is this guy? Neil Strauss, you know, the author of the the author of the book called The Game. You see, so this sales letter was selling a program called the Annihilation Method, you know, which was the program that was teaching guys who are struggling with women to get laid. So here Franken is arguably one of the best copywriters out there. Okay, here is the graphic design representation of this offer. You see, Franken, before the pictures of this product were taken, he decided to take out the CDs out of the covers. You see, took out the CDs out of the covers, so that this offer can take as much space as possible, so that this offer can seem so big as possible. You see, so here I'm on swipe.com, which is the website that was found by Mike Shower. Let's hear how he broke down what I'm telling you. Make the product look as extensive as possible, so people feel like they are getting a ton of value. The CDs are taken out of the case and take up a lot of space. You see what I'm talking about? So Franken took out the CDs out of these CD covers so that the product can take so much space and can look as expensive as possible, so that the prospect feels like they are getting more than what they are paying for. To prove this to you again, let me show you. Let's go back to the More Sales Challenge, of which is a program that teaches people how to close. This program is designed by Denlock. A lot of guys, they hate Denlock here on the internet, but if the guy that you hate says 1 + 3 is 4, they are still correct. So here is the graphic design representation of this offer. When you look here, you see all these pamphlets have been repeated here, you see, so that the product can look big. When you see here, all this is the same, is the repetition, is the same repetition to make the product look as big as possible. When you see here, this has been repeated, you see, it also been repeated on this side. Why? It's because he wants to make this offer seem big as possible. So that's how you make your prospects feel like they are getting more and more and more value than what they are paying for. By the way, if you like the way I'm breaking down these things and you'll be like, wow, this guy is good with copywriting, don't hesitate to send me an email at sbo@sbotango.com. You heard that right, sbo@sbotango.com. Then from there, we'll schedule a short 15-minute discovery call and see how I can help you, or we are a good fit for both of us to work together to write you emails for your email list, or sales copy for your products and services that you are selling, or maybe you need assistance with website copywriting. So for an email, I charge $250. For a sales letter, I charge $7,000, as well as for website copywriting, I also charge $7,000. So if you learned 1 or 2 things out of this video, please ensure that you press the subscription button as well as the notification bell, so that I can keep working hard for you, creating content that is going to make you a better copywriter, a better entrepreneur, a better salesperson, a better businessman tomorrow. Take care, have a nice day. I love you.